I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Azeem and I am back here with another new unboxing video. So today we have a sports racing car. This is Lamborghini RC car with a remote control. So here is on the box you can see the brand logo, and on the other side there is car in the box. So there's nothing else in the box. There are some functions mentioned on the box. So let's get started with unboxing. Unboxing is very simple. So there is a little box in the big box. So first of all there is remote control in red color, and this is antenna. Here are two throttles used for forward, backward and left and right. This is the antenna of remote. And then there comes a battery that contains 4 powerful charging cells. You can see there are 4 charging cells, and this is a pin which is used to charge directly with its own charger. Here is the charger, you can see. The charger also contains a pin that can be directly inserted into the battery pin like this. Here you can see that both pins are inserted into each other, and in case you want to open them, just press the pins and this will be opened directly. And after that there comes the main piece, car. And you can see this is very beautiful Lamborghini racing sports car. This is on off button, and after that this is a throttle stick used to pedal. Nice. And this is a battery portion where you will insert your battery. Let me insert the battery in it. We will insert these 2 pins in the battery and then place the battery into the battery portion, and after that close it. So here we have inserted the battery. Now let's drive it with the remote. And here is on off button. Let's turn on the car. Here you can see the car has been on. Now let's drive with these throttles. Here is a backward and a forward throttle, and on the other side there is left and right throttle.